Hello guys, welcome back to the DevOps channel. Today I am going to share again one article related to OpenTelemetry in .NET. That is how to integrate OpenTelemetry with the help of .NET. So basically, uh, to automatically instrument a .NET application for OpenTelemetry, .NET SDK, which provides libraries and tools for collecting telemetry data such as traces and metrics. So you can automatically instrument your .NET application with OpenTelemetry by enabling to collect traces and send them to compatible backend like Jaguar, Grafana, uh, Hibana, etc. This setup allows you to gain insight into the performance and behavior of your application with minimal um, manual instrumentation. So basically, in this part, how to check logs, metrics, and traces. So in this metrics, we are basically used for monitoring and visualization tool that supports OpenTelemetry. Uh, the tools like Prometheus and Grafana uh, traces that you need by tracking backend like Jaguar, Zip or Zipkin. Then most important part is in the troubleshooting is like logs. We have to check first of all logs. Whatever error we have find in the task, whatever you're performing tasks in this. So in the log, uh, you need a log management tool that collect and store your application logs with the help of Kibana, Logstash, then Elasticsearch, then ELK, Stack. That's it, etc. For these uh, for this task, what prerequisites we should require here? Uh, First of all, on your machine, we need to install .NET SDK, uh, basic understanding of .NET development, and access to tracking backend like Jaguar, Zipkin, or any other tool that helps to uh, help open telemetry compatible service for exporting the telemetry data. So as you can see in my last video, how to install the .NET SDK with the help of open telemetry. Just I how created one instance with free time, and I just install here all the stuff with related to .NET SDK. Yes, welcome to .NET 8.0 and SDK version 8.0. So now, uh, to set up environment in a new directory, we have to create a .NET simple here directory. Just I have created here one .NET directory. Uh, and in this directory, I execute this .NET web new web command, and I have successfully created here the template for ASP.NET Core that is empty. So now in this directory, we just edit the file like program.cs, and I'm just showing you how to edit this. Yes, I have replaced the code before with this code, and now I can save this file. Just again, I went to the properties for directory here. Yes. And here also same thing we have to perform like .json file also we need to edit here. Yes. In this code, just we have to removing host name with the help of 0.0.0.0 and port number will be 8080. So we need to save this. Now, till now we have performed the steps. Now we have to execute this command, that is build the application. I'm copying and executing this command here. Sorry, just we have to go on, went one folder back here, directory back, and execute this command. Yes, build is successfully created here. No warning is there, no errors will be there. So we have to run this application with the help of, okay, so I'm just editing again this file, .json file here. I just went on properties again. Please, just open this file. What error I have given is here, like I have mentioned I extra is here. So I just remove this and save this file again. So again we need to build this. Yes, successfully built. And now we have to run this application. Yes, we have successfully built here. Now, just open that URL, hit this URL on your browser by copying the public IP of the instance here. Copying the public IP of the instance here and removing hostname by IP. Yes, successfully we have roll dice here. If you are refreshing one again and again, the number will be changes here, because roll back the number here. If you are looking at here at the machine server, just when I refresh this, the number of times the anonymous player is rolling the dice is 6 times. If I am rolling again this, just look at here, if I am rolling again, the number will be 1. In this way, it will work. So now you just open a duplicate window here, and now we have to perform uh, uh, install and perform the OpenTelemetry NuGet packages here. These packages are for ASP.NET Core application. So we need to install necessary OpenTelemetry instrumentation and NuGet packages for your .NET application. You can use the sorry, you can use the following packages depending on the specific technology and components you want to instrument this. Now, I'm using the below commands to download the packages for ASP.NET for a core applications. So I'm running one by one and adding the packages. Okay, so we need to go on the folder here first of all, on the directory. Then we can execute this. Now we have to perform this again. Yes, We are downloading and installing the packages here. Now, next will be we have to add the packages like instrumentation for ASP.NET, ASP.NET Core. What is the error? Okay, I'm copying the command again. Not now adding the packages and exporting with the help of console with telemetry. Certification, whatever bundle of projects where they that will be adding with the help of these commands. Now we have to replace uh, replace the two lines with the help of below code in the program.cs file. So again, I am going in the uh, program.cs file. Sudo pi. Just now, you can see on the third line of the code, I just need to replace these two lines with the code. Yes, I'm removing these two lines. I'm using the code. Just save it. Yes, I have saved this code. Now we have to run your application once again. So I am using this command run. Otherwise, you can first build this and then run this. I'm using build here. Yes, build was successful. Now we have to run your application. .NET run. Yes. Now you can check here the metrics here, logs here, and traces will be presenting here in terms of the service name, the instance ID, SDK name will be the OpenTelemetry, then SDK language will be .NET, and SDK version is 1.9.0. Then log record will be shown here. Service name is role dias that we have performed few minutes ago. Then instance ID will be there here. Then SDK name, same as per the matrix here. So if you have one application like payment or phone pay, so number of applications that applications use worldwide. So how many people uses this application? So you can so how can you check this with the help of this open telemetry? We can check track the uh, number of people who uses the that application, and if any query is found for if suppose payment is not done, so what was the issue is there, we can check in the log system with the help of log management tool. So that's it. In the that is the part of this is the part of open telemetry. So if I again reopen a new session here. Sorry, not new session. I will duplicate this session and call this command. Yes. Just you can look at the error. You can look at the output here like 6 Ubuntu. If I went here, just roll dice is here 1. Again and again, if I am refreshing this, the number will be changed by refreshing this window. In this term, we can in a term it can perform the integration of OpenTelemetry in the .NET with the help of .NET. If I am running this command again, this shows 1, right? So in previous task, we perform same rolling dice like 1 6 1. If I am again calling this command, then output will be 6 here. In this way, rollback system will be performed here. Um, these steps and this concept I need to cover in this session. So I will stop here. Thank you. Thank you for watching.